What you talking about? It's Jaden Blaze.
Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now some people, some female fans, say them upset with the way or see them handle the situation with Vybz Kartel at a recent meet and greet with some other female fans. Some people say even that picture you right now with Shorty and somebody overseas shows that Shorty has become a celebrity within her own right. Just like how Bob Marley have a whole heap of youth and a whole heap of woman during his lifetime, but people only remember Rita. Some people say that it is because Rita was Bob Marley's legal wife, but I'm going to say why I go and contain the reason. You can listen.
Why see them? Are you my choose? Me not see them, but me see them. You not see them? Why you can't manage the race good as? Yeah, me I say no, go put your knee and prayer. Because I want to a girl. You never come like she not hear about Kartel. Hello? Never see your next girl shoes and one go in it. It a go burn you. That's why the short swing and find with the knife. You never know see them a big girl. I don't know. I don't know more help over yourself. I don't know if nobody not say what I say. See them, you can't manage it. Better be a housewife, not a road wife. Girl, you know see the girl with the big body? Go for your knee and pray see them. Our Father was and pray for the boy. Hey boy, Annie.
No, the woman never talk out. The woman never say. See them for no say. Vybz Kartel is a celebrity. And his fans are male and female. The woman never got one picture. As a matter of fact, to see it, everybody will see Vybz Kartel one picture. But some people also say, teacher take picture with fans, Shorty take picture with fans too. As I say, in this day and age, some people are saying Shorty is a celebrity within her own right. Meaning say, know that Shorty being the mother of one of Vybz Kartel's kids, the person who we hear mentioned in multiple songs, and they make songs for them too, but the person we hear upon multiple songs, multiple hit songs, the people who know Vybz Kartel's career know say Shorty has always been there. I mean, to a teacher say it, him know her long before the fear. You know what I mean? But in this day and age now, with our own businesses and all of our different business ventures, it look like even when people say are overseas, people take picture with shit, you know. The woman in the video they say, for years, Vybz Kartel has been Vybz Kartel while being with Shorty. I will never see Shorty try for, you know what I mean? Rape and the fans them that we have ever seen. But as we know, Vybz Kartel through music has always pointed out that, you know, where relationships are concerned, in being a man the woman just love, it has always been an issue in a relationship. He never hide that from him fans. He made music about it. That's the one thing that people respect about Vybz Kartel too. And it helped him gain more fans. It's as an entertainer, Vybz Kartel always say, sometimes rather than give a response or talk about something, he must put it in music, which is a sign of a true artist. Them always say whether people paint, make music, or any other artistic passion or expression, good artists can always express them emotion through whatever they do. And Vybz Kartel has always done that. And that make more fans can relate to the music, because everybody go through situations or similar situations to that. We have a woman and she's jealous. Whether he's a superstar, we have a whole heap of women who want you, or just a person who has this one other girl like you, and your woman no. And you know, she's just jealous. So Vybz Kartel has always made music and, you know, put it out there where people can say, oh, Jano, I know the situation there. I know after the situation there. Man or woman. Some people have said Shorty has always, you know, accepted the fact that Vybz Kartel are going to be Vybz Kartel and not going to be a superstar. Some people are wonder if them can handle being with a superstar like Vybz Kartel. It's not a regular artist. isn't the artist that some people know. As you see, no matter where Vybz Kartel going in the world, some people hear some Vybz Kartel there Panama and rise up some vinyl film autograph. That we are talking about. Some people rise up some vinyl CD to get them autographed and signed. He walk through airport, and for that moment them walk through airport, is like everything in the airport stop. All who try enter the country, exit the country, everything is stop. And it was malfunction with the system. And just the people them excited. Even the tourists them, even the visitors them, even the people, as I say, people were there at the airport because I use the airport. All them must say wheel out them phone. All them want a glimpse of the superstar. Now tell me if you agree with that woman there say, with the way how she them handle the situation. Someone said that's just human nature though. Of course she feel jealous. That's natural. I must say that before in a recent video. But I guess women are see it from a different point of view. And then now when them compare, I guess all them see shorty act for the whole heap of years them way. Keep in mind, in this day and age now, the media exists. More of the media. Remember, we say it's because it's happening and we see it on live. So because we see the video recording of this, make we can know that this happen. Maybe even if Shorty is jealous to and speak up about, the way Vybz Kartel and fans are interact and Ray, we wouldn't have known. And as I always say, different from when Shorty might say certain things and people go live and them ask her certain things and she answer. We don't really see her, you know what I mean? She might do some subliminal things, but back in them days, I wish they go post it on Facebook. Maybe. But in this day and age now, if something people actually check our page for a response. Because the media is at that point, So maybe this look away and people are saying what they must say. Because, this was something slightly private that was made public. Because it's happened on live. So, she being concerned and, insecure or, jealous. Natural feeling, natural emotions that anybody go through. The fact that fans are see it and know what it was about, and the Vybz Kartel point out say, boy them share me, and I just fans. She don't say just fans. I just just a superstar. People are say she should know. But those people that look from the outside. They never actually. Most people who attack have never been with a celebrity. They must say, them could handle it because they know a teacher and Rayan. You know what I mean? But them just say that. Maybe if they made their own Vybz Kartel and them did not the situation as the Vybz Kartel with one other beautiful women, and knowing say any one of them would have glad to be in a fair position, and some of them will even try. Of course they're gonna feel jealous. You know what I mean? So tell me what you think. The woman I say, she shouldn't make it a big deal. And me all the people will agree. I say, it shouldn't have been a big deal. You know what I mean? If you're new to the channel, it's a pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7, it never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, how we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Now a quick recap. The people must not like how the way see them handle the situation, and them believe Shorty will handle the situation a bit differently. Tell me what you think. Some other people also say this is a natural reaction, and just to fans get to see it, why fans probably feel that way about it. But tell me what you think. And until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours, if you live, love and prosper, if you stay tuned.